Hi guys, welcome back to Day Trade Diary. Today is Tuesday, 21st of April, 2026, and I'll give an update about what happened yesterday on the 20th of April. This is day number 53 of our documented trading journey. Right now, Oanda is at CFD trading is at $15,320 with a 49% exposure rate. And for Binance, Bitcoin is 10,163 US dollars with a 24% exposure. So pretty low exposures as the market seems to be trending up a little bit. But we have all the sell orders set on the way down to capitalize on any dips that we might get. Total net asset value is 25,483 US dollars, which equates to a return of 8.3% over 53 days. This is the equivalent of 1,953 US dollars gain. Our equity or net asset value curve looks like this. As you can see, it's pretty stagnant over the past 4-5 days. Yeah, we'll see if the volatility increases, and then we can move this chart hopefully in a more positive direction. So let's go straight into Bitcoin first. So you can see here the net asset value is 10,172 as of right now. We had 3 take profits yesterday for no, now we have 4 take profits. Okay, so another one just hit. So it was 1, 2, 3, 4 take profits were hit in the last 24 hours since our trading last update. So let's look at this right now. So what was hit in the last 10 minutes was a sell order or take profit at $76,700. So what I typically would do now is to set the buy order for this particular trade that was just closed, and I set it at 75,600. So what I do here is I press long, I go in here, and then first of all I change to BTC. So I say what was it again? So I now set it at 75.6. So I go in here, 75.6, and then I set my buy order at 0.004. Done, bam, confirm, and then this new buy order has been set here at 75.6, which corresponds to the take profit at 75.7. 75.7. Let's double check that. Yep, that's correct. So now if we zoom out, and then we can see more clearly what is open, what is closed. We have buy orders set down here. This is the one that I just set a couple of seconds ago, 75.6 at 0.004 Bitcoin. And this is the next take profit right up here. So yeah, many take orders, many take profits were hit. 3 take profits, which is good. And just to remind you that 0.004 Bitcoin with a 1,100 US dollar gain, we can calculate that. So we have to factor in the commission as well. So Binance takes a commission, right? But we can easily calculate that. Usually it's about 80 US dollars gain. So it's instead of 1,100, which is the distance between the buy and the sell, is about 1,020, right? And then we multiply that by 0.004 Bitcoin, and that gives a profit for each take profit at 4 US dollars. Sounds like very little, but then this is the risk that we are willing to take because Bitcoin, without a doubt, now is in a bear market. So we need to be wary about having such a big exposure rates at this high level. So each take profit is about 4 US dollars in this instance. So we had 3 take profits. So we had the equivalent of 12 US dollars gain in the last 24 hours with this great trading strategy. Good. We can go into Oanda now. we had zero activity across all instruments from gold, silver, China A50, copper, crude oil, and even bonds. Nothing has been hit. Volatility is basically pretty dead. So let's look first of all through all of the open trades. This for bonds. We see, you can set it here. It hasn't hit. China A50 seems to have run away a bit. So we had a couple of good trades for China A50. I think we profited overall about 100 US dollars. But since then, the market has ran away a bit. We are waiting for the dip. So if we look next at crude oil, we do have a buy order here at 80. We'll see if this continues to hit, what the geopolitical situation is between Iran and the US. Seems that Trump is playing some market manipulation games. He announces good news, but his insiders have gone long before the good news came out. And whenever he announces bad news, insiders have already shorted the market tremendously. So it's very volatile because of what Trump is doing. So that was crude oil. Let's look at copper. We have some trades open as well. Yeah, market seems to be turning over. We'll see if that hits. Copper is currently at $6 US per unit. Let's look at the S&P 500. Bam, it's gone up a lot. So that was a trade that we missed. But I wouldn't have been comfortable buying at these levels anyway, because it's very close to the all-time high. So what's left is silver. You can see all our open trades here. Here, for example, the 2510, 2510, 2510. These are all our open trades above the current level, and then we have all the buy orders set in a grid pattern on the way down. You can see that the average true range is going down a lot. It's currently at $3.82 ATR 10. So what that means is the high minus the low of each candle is about $3.80 over the past 10 days average. So you can see it's really going down a lot. So that would mean that we need to adjust our grid size soon, or hope that the volatility goes up. Lastly, we have gold. Same story. Volatility is falling off a cliff here. Average true range is only $120 over the past 10 days average. We have some open trades here, and all the take profits are set here. You can see the green lines here for these 4 open trades, and we have some buy orders on the way down. So let's see if CFDs get some action. If not, yeah, that's fine as well. We won't chase. We will keep to our strategy. So far, it's been working decently. 8% gain over 53 days. If we annualize that, how do we do that? Let me see. So if we take 365 divide by 53 days, and then if we multiply that by our gains, which is 8.3%, so that's a 57% gain annualized. So we will stick to the strategy. We'll continue to deploy as we see fit, and as we have done over the past 53 days, because profit is profit at the end of the day, and 57% gain annualized is not too shabby at all. So we will continue to do that. Right, I think that's my update for today, and I will see you guys tomorrow then. Take care now. Bye bye.